kuma kuria health link no muthi tuguko tugicira ka tukiareria na tuguko tugitaukwo uhoro wa indigestion system kaira tuta gut health na muthi tuguko tu specific muthi tuguko tukirongorio undu umwe guthika kwa irio
guthika kana kwa guthika
tondu cingigiko guthika na itifaida
guthika ni faida
kwa guthika na itio no
ni hadhara
yes ugo muthi tuguko tugicira uhoro wa guthika kwa irio and the funny thing and the surprising thing gutire muci utai mundu utari etagwo word special diet
omuci
gutire
ni kuri mundu na diet haidu atararia
na
haidu ararugirwo
na tiri mweri wa mbere kana wa keri tari horo wa miaka ugo ngiko wina mundu tocio akoretwo riu ni anogete
na tiete special diet ni ndu wa merimu no special diet ni ndu wa
ndauga special diet tondu aria kindu fulani ndangikoma guthi undu angihota gwika
o tiete ni ndu wa diabetes kana ki ni nda okay
ni etagwo soothing the illness guthaitha murimu ukauria urenda tuikare tena
we itugikiria twambate rwe kaba gugikara
no mukane gucitaga
na murimu
ukamuragia
sa murimu ni yo urenda
so okay this surprisingly ni murimu gieti andu
indigestion so ugo waigari horo wa special diet generally uria tumbitwo ta andu we should eat everything and anything na mere ito ndikakona thina healthy
thank you
healthy meals na mwili waku ndwakorwo na thina
healthy meals should be for everything
kana ni mboga kana ni posho kana ni iria
tondu taruri protein ri no ciume cirio-ini ta mboco na mboco no iko ina raithi
inima otho kidogo nyama na boss ile irathi in fact kama ndena nyama nicio iramemania
muteirwo mutikanirire but inola ugakora atiriri that challenge igakorwo iho ugo ni gukora mundu I've already given up and the reason is na gitumi kiria arakwa kana agakua ngoro kana agate mwihoko ri ni gukorwo ati ni athiite thibitari nyingi na akaga guteithika like for instance nini njira mundu aritirie be kuga ungigakwa mundu kwa mugonga achana yeye kwa muganga
diga tutigana nake ndo ndiki kimurehire
wewe raisi yo rurite ku
agiakinya kwa muganga
ndwagĩrĩirwo kũria department kana institution iria atwarire kwa muganga is it the failure yes taru for instance taguria tiri tothi makeria kwĩ ndagĩtarĩ 10 mara we ni ũraturwo nĩ nda na magwa ndwĩ na thĩna what next
nguthi kwa muganga
ni muganga akwĩra
urie no waikirie mbugu
akwĩra bas na ndagĩtarĩ na ndauga ati atari jirani na umenye rĩu muganga wa rũgongo
ni mama ore wanyu koraga guo
nduonaga nginya ikage kuhora ya kuri uri ukirire ni aroeka mbugu cia kensi aruta wira so for that reason ugakora andu aingi me so desperate na nini njira mundu kaba kwaga mbeca ukia kwa ndagitari tondu we ni uramenya hari ukonera mbeca no ugaturwo hone no waga ndagitari guti kundu kungi na guti kundu kungi na nikio ramakora taru ni njuragia ati for instance rora history ya ndagitari ura nyari unduri wathiagwo ni ngari cina ki na ndege andu acio ti kwenda mendete asa ni kwaga another option means guti undu ungi mari ugo noguo matigireire so ugakora atiri for that one ugakora indigestion ni murimu ukoretwo wiho no surprisingly ukoretwo gitiritwo ta ndariri
tita murimu
yes indigestion kwa guthika kwa irio ni murimu tuchaga dyspepsia kwa guthika kwa irio
na tamu ya ndagitari
dyspepsia ri ni indigestion indigestion ri ni kwa guthika kwa irio ndikano anyita nginya
hamwe
but up to that point wiragwo uraguthie kwa irio maybe tondu ni cikurehe gas ni by product ya indigestion
koguo gas irehe yukite tondu irio irathika
waste igakorwo excess guti mundu utakona gas
Okay.
The
Everyone.
issue is excess.
Okay.
Akona byproduct excess yake
Ya gas.
So anytime urahuthira antacid, you're not sorting your issue.
Irade. No, TikTok ya maundu maingi ni ukoragwo kuo he mwiretu uragera no atumia uria turia kuindo nyingi fetini agera gifeti kia mamu wao riu uria arakuite agithie mathiko ururia riri ngera somora ndawa ndona yandikitwo something antacid ona riu ginya atumia ni marekuwira ka antacid
for which reason aria no ginya product iri oneka ugo no ginya mihando
Todo gutire mundu ciaragwo irio iteguthika ri, let's be clear.
Yes.
Maybe what normally happens they wa mwiri na ginya ciana no cikorwo na kiria indigestion.
Yes, indigestion comes in a simple way. Yabagi undu muhuthu.
Okay.
To percentage nene andu aria mena thina wa indigestion, to start with, the blood group. Of course. The reason we're here is to ensure that you investigate and find the reason why.
Yes.
This elephant in the house, derake nikahudhu kaga kuthondekwo niki.
Okay.
Gatuikite stubborn niki blood group.
Kwe blood group ni inya.
Ni inya. But ere ko more disturbed na mathina ma digestion ni O.
O theri kana kana we positive kana negative.
So what happens? Blood group O matithondeka chloride acid ya kuigana ire teithagiria guthia protein
protein
ruha nuona engi gukora ati kwi mundu
nyama
exactly
boco
ukaigwa mundu ucio na tondu akoga gukorwo guo ri andu no mokaga na thio ria gabiribiri ni kahoreragia nda kana kaigwa suthi
tondu firifiri ena
chloride kaina acid ugo ne kuhota kuteithiriria digestion iyo. Ugo mundu ucio no kuigwa kwira ni ingigwa ndaria kanyama kare bunjo either njikurukie na mzinga kana gabiribiri
kandu kanyamu karuru
kindu bita
niguo
eteithiririe kuongerera ururu uria ukuhota guthia irio nda. Now the challenge is utari wa blood group ugerio guo ukagia mathina mangi twitaga the mucosal membrane erosion kimira kugikambia kuma. But the habit with blood group O, since now their tolerance ati ni mamenyerete kuri indo nduru ndika ni rwathi handu he mundu korio ngai no kuriaga irio icio nginya giciko ni kiruru kina firifiri high chances is a blood group O. But ni undu wa gukorwo matira ni maratolerate kuria acid iyo ri ugakora mundu ucio ni overdo kana ni aria indo icio nduru muno na riria ari indo icio nduru muno ri ugakora kimira giake ni kiambia gukoki eroded. Erosion iyo ri ikarehe thina wa gastritis kuroruha kwanda. Off from that kuroruha ku kwanda ri agakona what we call the irritation kana kurara konida which is a difference from indigestion. Iyo tumita gastritis.
All right.
No riu ndu aguko en gastritis ri high chances no they are diagnosed na H pylori. So another cause ya guko mundu no akona indigestion ni guko ni aria kona history ya H pylori.
Wana rigitwo kana wana bacteria yo.
Yes. What happens? H pylori come with this very yokaga na simple huthu muno. For instance, kuibada, kuira ngoro na kuigua tai munogereru. Just that. Uguo high chances ni andu igana mathia na ndariri icio very few. Uguo riria yambia guturithia ndari ugathie thibitari test ya mbere ri simplest way ungikwa ina ni H pylori. Wone kana na H pylori ri ugekererwo pause about the new data H pylori pa H pylori kate irakugia H pylori igoka igakria igathira no ndariri citinathira tondu wekire gigutwarire thibitari ti H pylori ni ndariri cia ti ndariri cia indigestion ni ndariri cia gastritis kuroruha kwanda waturwo ni nda na ikararaka yikana wanyita nginya hau. But up to that point ri wathi wathondekerwo H pylori uguo ni kuga ndaku no irathi na mbere na kuraraka na no irathi na mbere gutuika wasu uguo kaigwa mundu akwira ati ni ndanyuire kiti ya mbere ndiahonire na ni ndingithi gwenda gitari ringi tondu ndakemenya ni kid anyandike ire agathie akagura kiti
akerigita na ndarigita kiri
athie ri agakiona ai kai kiti no kai yari huthu atia ndu agathi thibitari agathimirwo kerwo ihi akina H pylori tona ta ithiru toma hau ri tugathi agerwo ati riu ri no twikire endoscopy kana OGD turore kana nda yaku ni kuroruha agathi akoneka ni manda ni ndoru akambia gutiritwo gastritis ikanona na ikahona no riu ri yahona ri ndano iraimba no arahuhita no ararungurirwo na no areka maundu mangi so ugakora microbiums thina twitaga stray balance thina twitaga dysbiosis uguo thina ucio ukamwambiria hau hakwa guthika kwa irio
kou umire okuria woka ukite no tondu kurarigitwo maundu mangiri
ugakora murimu ikinya rimwe mbere yes so that is the biggest challenges na secondary challenge igiri ni andu aria makona depression kana stress kana
kerekene tuguka hau tondu hau ngane hoturi akenya ora tikuria kwa gastritis hapo pa depression anyway turathira mbere kwariria na Dr. Chris Wambui twari horo wa thina wa irio kwaga guthika no ni tugucokirie tu thina mbere na kwariria nake we na kiuria o giothe no ngataukwa ati muthenya wa umuthi bengi ya NCBA manyitanire na ithuĩ Kameme TV na Kameme FM gakimenya mekuria mwena wa kindu gigwitwo githunguri kuria kurakiri na kurugerio kwa ruhonge rwa NCBA kuria mwena wa Githunguri town na nitukunyitanira na mwandiki witu wa mohoro gwitwo Kitani uria wi mwena ucio nigetha gitumenyithie uria gugitarie na ground ikihana atia no uria maundu makihana kuria mwena wa Githunguri kitwambe tuthie nginya kuo tucoke twanirie na kahinda gatakiri kuraihu ni kindu gigwitwo bengi ya NCBA kuria mwena wa Githunguri semo ikoro ni wakinjigwa na mwanyitania na nie wega tugikinye imwe kwa imwe nginya kuria mwena wa Githunguri.
Of course, opening its set to open its newest branch in town here in Githunguri town. And just before I explain to you what will be happening here, of course, Kameme FM was here. They're still here. They were doing their morning breakfast show here, just to ensure that the viewers of this particular area are well informed, and even, of course, cover the this particular event, which, like I said, is the opening of the NCBA Githunguri branch right here at Githunguri town. Remember as well, NCBA Bank did open, rather is set to open the NCBA Limuru branch, which will be located, or rather is located at Mumbi House in Limuru town. Now, NCBA Bank, of course, prides itself in being one of the fastest growing banks in the country. They do offer a variety of services for customers, and just some of the things that they offer is that they do offer corporate banking, as well as investment solutions, asset finance, business banking and personal banking, and like I said, of course, they do offer a variety of services, and this comes at a time when the bank in itself registered half-year profits of around 9.8 billion shillings, up from 9.4 billion shillings in the last compared to last year during the half-year results. So we'll be, of course, speaking to various directors here, including the branch manager, that is Robert Kariuki. Will be telling us more about why they need to open this new branch and what is their goal with this new branch, and not only this particular branch in Githunguri town, but as well across the country. Just as well to let you know of the solutions that NCB as a bank do offer is that they offer account solutions as well as business loans, or other working capital loans such as term loans, overdrafts, revolving and non-revolving stock loans. They do also offer property financing solutions as well as asset finance solutions. Now, like I said, this comes at a time when the bank in itself is trying to expand its base across the country. We've seen several branches being opened, and even after this, there will be other branches that will be opened across the country. We have been informed that the area member of parliament, that is Gathenia Mushamba, will be gracing this particular event, and this comes again at a time when, like I said, the bank looks at not only expanding its base, but as well expanding its outreach to ensure that they can be able to reach many other customers out there. We do know that, of course, there are very, very many other banks across the country, but it being now the fastest growing, among the fastest growing, the bank as well seeks to ensure that it entices more customers to bank with them, those who are even in the business world, to ensure that they can be able to of course bank with them and ensure they utilize the services that they do offer. Now, as well, apart from that, is that NCBA Bank has prided itself in helping the community, giving back to the community, because as of this year, the bank in itself helped at least 100 students with educational scholarships. We've also seen the bank helping around 10,000, impacting around 10,000 golfers across the country with around 60 million shillings. That is, of course, inclusive of all regional tournaments that the bank has sponsored, of course, as well as the green movement and women empowerment here in the country. So this is a bank that someone would say is sort of trying to reach to each and every sector of the society, trying to reach impact